Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be giving you a quick review of Cursor. I have been using it now for a week so far, and I had a nice experience so far with it. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is to download Cursor, and you're gonna also need to create your account as well. It's very straightforward, and after that, they're also providing you some tutorials that you can watch. So I already download Cursor, and now I'll be showing you how to use it. So if you press Ctrl, Shift, and P, you will be able to access to Cursor settings, and from General, you'll be able to give a rule to AI. For instance, they're giving you an example of it. Always use functional React, never use unwrap in Rust. Always output your answer in Portuguese. This is just giving an example. You can come up with your own prompt as well. But personally, I didn't utilize it. It worked fine for me. And the next thing that I play around with it was this models names. So I personally decided to use the latest version of ChatGPT and also the latest version of Claude AI 3.5. And from here you can on and off. And then you can also use your own open AI key as well. So these are some features that I play around with it. There's other stuff you can change and stuff, but I personally didn't change anything else apart from the models, and it worked fine for me. So now we will try to use it. So I tried to create like a simple contact form. If I press Ctrl K or Ctrl B, it should pop up. Oh, it didn't pop up. That's interesting. Let me do it one time more. Yeah. So I have contact form component, and I also have the submit button component. And in order to access to the chat, you can press Ctrl K. And from Ctrl K, you can just change, for instance, select the part of the code that you want to change. For instance, let's say I'm gonna go to contact form over here, doesn't matter. So I'm choose everything, and then I will press Ctrl K, and then I will ask change the button color and add hover effect to it. So now again, I'm using ChatGPT 4.0. You can change it to Claude AI as well. So after you need to accept this, the changes. In order to accept the changes, you can just press Ctrl plus Shift plus Y, or you can just click on this. So this giving you like you kind of reviewing the code. If you like what it's giving you a suggestion, you can just accept it. So I'm accepting it. This one way to play around with your code. The second way is to open the chat on your right hand corner. So if I press Ctrl and then L, I'll be able to access to this chat version of it. So from here, I can change the code and multiple components. So for instance, at the moment, if you see, I have like submit buttons, .tsx, so I can add another component. So I'm gonna also add contact form.tsx and also page.tsx and also layout.tsx. So tsx is TypeScript. Amazing. That's it. So from here, if you want to change something like globally in few other components at the same time, for instance, I will say like improve the button, the submit and the submit button. Also improve the contact form, add a rounded background, or maybe make the input fill rounded MD. And now what will happen is like it will change the code in all components, and you just need to click on apply in order to this code will get applied to all of the components. So you can do one by one. So I'm gonna do one by one. So I'll first change the submit button code. So I will say apply. Again, from here I can just say Ctrl+Shift+Y, or just can accept it manually. And after that, I can change the contact form code by applying to it. So I can manually, if I go to contact form, I could see it as well. So if I say apply, so apply to entire file or apply to contact form. So I will just say apply to entire file. It's gonna apply to the whole file, and from here I can accept the changes. So I will just say click on Ctrl+Shift and +Y. Okay, that's it. Let me scroll down. Anything else? Amazing. So this is like a quick review as well, and you can also add images as well. So for instance, let's say I'm going to contact form dribble example. So for instance, let's say which of them I would choose. Let's say this one. Like you can have take a screenshot and go for the cursor and just paste it here, and then implement the same contact form that you have in the image that I provided. You can do this as well, but it's not great enough. Like it won't give you the exact same thing. So you need to play around a lot with it in order to achieve the same thing. So again, from here, you can also change the models. So at the moment, I just have ChatGPT 4.0 and I have Claude AI 3.5. And one more thing, you can, if you say control, and then from here, you can also choose the file. So I will say file, and I can say submit, and then change the button. So this was like a quick review of how to use Cursor, and how to utilize it, how to play with the settings and stuff. And if you have any other question, please feel free to put in ask in the description part of this video, and also feel free to join my Discord community if you want to meet someone to find a coding buddy, or if you want to network with other entrepreneurs, if you want to know about the latest AI news, feel free to join my Discord community. And I just started it, so at the moment we don't have that much member, and